Hey everyone, I'm Dave. Today we're going to be making grilled cola chicken, an easy to prepare dish that won't break your bank. Let's get it started. Now I've got these beautiful chicken breasts sliced thin. We're going to make a simple rub with some brown sugar, smoked paprika, a little cumin. Going to give it a pinch of kosher salt or two, and a pinch or two of coarse pepper. We're going to mix that up real nice, and we're just going to get this on our chicken like so. Get those all covered on both sides. Now to go with our grilled cola chicken, we're just going to do a real easy potato. I'm just going to slice them into little rounds. We'll just basically add a little olive oil, a little salt, a little pepper. You'll mix that all up, and then we'll save these to grill. It'll just be a nice little side to go with the chicken. Okay, we've got the rub on the chicken. We are now going to work on our cola sauce. The grill's up to heat. We got the plancha nice and hot. We're going to start off just a little bit of olive oil here. We're going to start cooking the garlic. Just spread that around. You're going to want to let that kind of start to cook here for about a little less than a minute or so. Now we're going to add the cola, ketchup, chili powder, Worcestershire sauce, and a little apple cider vinegar. We're going to stir this up. Now we're going to let this come to a little bit of a boil. Then we're going to put it off in a cooler part of the grill while we cook the chicken, and then use it to baste the chicken throughout. Great flavor though. It's going to add a lot to the chicken. We're going to start grilling the potatoes out here. Again, I put some oil on these, a little salt, a little pepper, and that's all they need. We're going to set them here in the plancha, let them crisp up a little bit. Just a bit more pepper and a little pinch of salt. Now the chicken with the nice rub on it, it's going to go on the top here. About 5 minutes aside. It's nice and thin. Smells beautiful. Alright, the cola sauce smells good over here. It's just going to be simmering over here, but I'm going to use it to baste the chicken now. And then after I baste this side, I'll flip it, baste the top, give these a quick flip. Now we'll give this side a quick baste as well. Alright, this chicken smells incredible. We basted both sides a couple times. We're going to plate these. Beautiful thin pieces of chicken breasts. Going to grab some of these potatoes. And I set aside some more of the cola sauce from earlier, so we can use that to drizzle a little on the chicken here, and as well as use it to dip with our potatoes. Looks outstanding. Let me just taste that sauce with the potatoes. Such a great flavor. Gonna give this a little drizzle over the chicken and for the potatoes as well. And then you can still dip potatoes into it if you want to too. Okay, I've got to taste this chicken right now. Got a nice big dollop of the sauce here. It is so juicy. So good. The rub is great. Then the flavor of the sauce. Again, this is a real simple, easy, and cheap meal to make that people will love. This was such a fun cook to do, such a tasty chicken, and so easy. You gotta give it a try. Thanks again for watching. I'm Dave. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know what you want to see cooked next. Be happy to do it. Have a great day, and remember, spread love through barbecue.